This 2024 Coachmen Encore SE 365RB is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Coachmen Encore SE 365RB is built on a Straight Rail Freightliner Vault chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.